So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about two projects that I have mentioned on this channel in the past, but they might be having a nice good run with a new narrative. Decentralized. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about two cryptocurrencies in this DePIN narrative. Now, the DePIN narrative is a new narrative in cryptocurrency that's just floating around right now, which is kind of encompassing tokenization and IoT, which are two things that I think are super bullish for crypto moving forward. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and leave me a comment in the comment box of any cryptos you would like me to take a look at. And today, before we get into this video, I want to take a look at two cryptos that were mentioned to me in the comment box. So real quick before we go forward, somebody asked me, what do you think about Metal Pay? Now, I've talked about Metal Pay on this channel. It always gets brought up. There's a very nice community behind it, and I do tell people, hey, me myself personally, I am not as bullish on cryptos for payments, because I have my cryptos picked out for payments, which is like ETH and Bitcoin. But Metal Pay, I think it's going to have hype, it's going to have a community, and it could do some numbers just off of that. But as far as the long term goes, I am not invested in Metal Pay, but I would not, if I had it on my portfolio, I wouldn't sell it now, put it in that way. The next one I want to talk to you guys about that someone asked me about in the comment box is Zenfin, which is XDC. Now, right off the bat, I want to say this is my pick for the ISO 2020 tokens or blockchains in that narrative, and I really do like this token a lot. I don't hold any, but it is something that is on my list, and I will pick some of this up. So yeah, not really into metal as much. I really like XDC. So let's just get right into this video and talk about the coins that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention, because these are some potential gems right here. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but something that is advice is to never invest more than you can afford to lose. That is the #1 rule in cryptocurrency. So DePIN, real quick, decentralized physical infrastructure is an emerging research area within Web3 and IoT domains, which leverage blockchain, IoT, and tokenomics to incentivize communities to build physical infrastructure networks and machine economy from the ground up. So it is the base layer. We know we're in crypto. We're in the base layer of crypto right now. We're seeing things built from the ground up. We never got to see the internet get built from the ground up. We just got to use it and then see other things built on top of what was already used. We're seeing it built from the ground up. And one of those things that's been building from the ground up in this space and in the space of robotics, IoT, is the Rogonomics network, the Xrt token, sitting right here at a $3.9 million with a total supply of 10 million. Only 1.6 in circulating supply. I gotta recheck the tokenomics for that. So always take these tokenomics on these websites like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap with a grain of salt. When I do deep dive videos, if you guys want to see a deep dive, put it in the comment box. But when I do deep dive videos, I will search the blockchain and see if I can find the actual circulating supply. But right now, they're saying it has a lot of inflation to go, but still less than Bitcoin. It has less tokens than Bitcoin. Scrolling down real quick, all-time high of this token is $461 3 years ago. So this token has been in inception for, at least 3 years. So the first thing I want to do with that is go to their Twitter and see if they're still working. So I come right here to their Twitter profile. Like I said, never gonna call it X. Maybe it'll get there one day. We shall see. But I already had it open, but here it is right here. The Rogonomics Twitter right here. Got about 29K subscribers. They've been around for a pretty long time. But coming right here, you can see the last time they posted was on July 23rd. It is August 4th, so that's not bad. They had robots on stage, and you can come and watch this presentation they did at Polkadot Decoded. So they are working in the Polkadot ecosystem. They had a parachain on Kusama. They're doing a lot of their work on Kusama right now, which I know some of you guys are very bullish on Kusama, but this is definitely one, in my opinion, to take a look at. Come right here to the website. It says you are in Rogonomics Network. If you scroll down, what is Rogonomics? Rogonomics is an open source platform for IoT applications which enable the exchange of technical and economic information in forms of atomic transactions using applications, IoT service, and complex robotics. So it is what we are looking for. Decentralized, has decentralized governance, and it is for IoT and smart devices. All this is what the DePIN narrative is encompassing. So this token has been out for a long time, and some people will say, hey, this token is not going anywhere, it's not gonna pump as much, where's the hype gonna come from? Well, with this new narrative of DePIN, this token could have some nice things going on just from the narrative. Coming right here, they got Introduction to Rogonomics Academy, your gateway to mastering Web3 technologies for IoT. When you click on that right here, they have a whole online school. It says the core developers at the Rogonomics project, robot specialists and PhD researchers. So if you're a developer and you're into, developing future technologies or IoT systems, this is cool right here. This is dope. You can get yourself a certificate from them and be able to build on Rogonomics. And yeah, this is just cool right here to see. They are chugging away with what they are working on. So take a look at the Rogonomics network and let me know what you guys think in the comment box about this token. The next token that I want to talk to you guys about is introducing themselves into that IoT sector. They are pretty much designed and it's a hand-in-hand relationship, but they're also doing data. You guys know I love data and decentralized data tokens because data's the new oil. But Ntx token, haven't talked about it in a while. Right now it's sitting at $26 million. I will do an update on this as we get more community updates. But scrolling down right here, we see the all-time high is a year ago at 22 cents. When we come to the website right here, it says a global economy for decentralized computing. What I wanted to talk to you guys about today was this right here: the data economy for the Internet of Things use cases hindered by decade-old walled infrastructures and computing data silos. So data silos is a very huge problem. People not being able to, when machines and IoTs are connected and we have this digital physical infrastructure set up, these devices are going to need to talk to each other, so they cannot be siloed on different networks. That's one of the reasons why layer zeros to me are also going to be huge moving forward. But we do have that problem with data being siloed. So something that they're trying to solve over there at Ntx. I'm all for it. Let's get it. So scrolling down a little bit more, they have a solution where it says they're aiming to transform the cloud computing. So when we come to their Twitter right here, it says, have you read our Project 10 proposals? It says, we'd love to hear your comments. So come take a look at these comments, especially if you are a holder. So they got decentralized GPU clusters, decentralized GPU splitting. So these are all updates and different things that they want to do and explore and build towards. And the community is able to vote and go check out some of these proposals. So it is very important that you guys do that. But these are two tokens that I'm pretty bullish on, and I'm going to keep adding them to my bags. Now my bags are already getting too full. So I gotta be very, very selective, and there are some good gems that I'm gonna have to leave to the wayside. Now, one thing that I will say is, as we get into this bear market and we start talking about all of these cryptos, there will be more popping up. Make sure you have enough of the ones that you want. The last thing you want to do is go into this bull market too thin with the cryptos that you are bullish on, because when they start moving and they do 100x, you're gonna wish you had bought more. But this is not financial advice. Just take advantage of the price right now, because I'm a person who went through 2 bull markets, and the one thing that I hate the most, that is a good problem to have, is wishing that I would have bought more after the token has gone up so much. So Let me know what you guys think about the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Please leave me those comments, share the videos, help me grow my channel right now. We are on the road to 10K subscribers. Y'all think positive and positive things will happen. RIP to crypto roots, and remember, never finish a negative statement about currency. Till next time, peace.